Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Pablo Lichti and I'm Product Manager for Machining Center. Our requirements for big horizontal machining centers are highest productivity, dimensional stability and long-lasting durability. All these requirements are fulfilled by our world-famous horizontal machining center, the MA-600HIII Mark III. It has an enormous machining area, so that you can machine, for example, a clamping tower with multiple tensions or very large workpieces. A large variety of different high-performance milling spindles for any requirements are available, wherever 10,000 RPM or more than 1,000 Nm torque. Here we have our new high-performance milling spindle with 10,000 RPM, 45 kW and more than 650 Nm torque. With this you can achieve an extremely high cutting performance which will rise your productivity to the next level. The excellence dimensional accuracy of this machine is ensured not only by the design of the individual components, but also by our intelligent technologies, such as thermo-friendly concept, which reduces terminal deformation to an absolute minimum, and the Servo Navi SF, which analyzes the backlash of the axis and actively compensates those. Both options are included in standard and are highly appreciated by our customers. Thanks for watching. More interesting videos you can find on our channels. And if you have any questions, please contact my team or me on info@okuma.eu.